This is Corol Tuile Garnish to give an original and particular touch to your dish. So why not we make a coral decoration? Let's start. If you visit first time this channel, please I hope you subscribe and like this video. So guys, let's start ingredients. The main ingredients are water, oil and flour, to which you can add anything that can give aroma and color. All we need to do is create the right balance between the liquids and solid present. It is cooked in a hot non-stick pan, just you can see the video. Fry pan. The water present will be evaporate and this splendid coral decoration will remain. So guys, this is the coral tuile decoration garnish. Hope you like this video and don't forget to subscribe and like this video. If you don't understand properly in my language English, you can just read from the description and I will give full recipe in the description. So guys, tuile is the French word, so we can say tuile coral garnish. Everywhere, restaurant, hotel, hospitality, anywhere you can use this as a food techniques. ऐसे वीडियो देखने के लिए आपको एवेश खत्री चैनल सब्सक्राइब करना पड़ेगा गाइस, क्योंकि वीडियो लाने में बहुत मेहनत होता है और कुछ एक्सपीरियंस वाला बात होता है। आप लोग कमेंट करके जब तक हमें एक आइडिया नहीं दोगे तब तक हम अपना कंटेंट को कैसे सुधार ला पाएंगे। होप आप सब लोग कमेंट में एक बार ज़रूर बता देंगे ताकि नेक्स्ट कंटेंट ऐसे बनेगा।